Aray ko. Aray ko. Aray. Tuhod ko. Wow.
Ready, Cebu Pacific Jet. Cebu Pacific. Ninja sakay na daddy. Cebu Pacific.
When trials come and fear sets in, I remember the promises of the Lord. Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, I am your God. God will provide in His perfect time. His hand will never fail. God will provide through every desert. His love will lead the way. Seek first the kingdom of God, and all these things will be added to you. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and He will give you the desires of your heart. God will provide in His perfect time. His hand will never fail. God will provide through every desert. His love will lead the way. And my God will supply all your needs according to His riches in glory. Though the victory does not blossom, yet I will rejoice in the Lord. And my God will supply all your needs according to His riches in
Son. It's your birthday? Are you happy?
Yes.
We're going to swim?
Yes.
Okay. Sabi ko sa mga bata, mag-bless sila sa lahat ng mga makakasalubong nila. Tignan natin kung gagawin nila.
I will go and swim. Oh, parang may boxing ah. Boxing. I will play boxing.
Saan po sila? Nasubos na. Oy, dito! Halika na, dito na tayo.
Daddy ba? Daddy. Iihi siya, Daddy po. Daddy. Daddy.
Tumalon ka agad ah.
Ay, chinelas mo, Sofia.
Oh my gosh.
Galing ah. Oh, one more. Ate.
1 feet. 4 feet. I 1 feet.
Hindi naman lumalangoy si ate.
3 feet.
Oh, yun yung nalunod. Nalunod. Si ate oh.
Hello, everyone. Help. Daddy.
Oh, go. Nalulunod na isa. Nauna si ate.
I forget how to do it.
Yung nahirapan na yun, no? Nahirapan lumangoy. Nalaglag. Galing nga.
Galing lumangoy. Oh, ha? Wow, oh. Oh, up. Ups. Ups. Oh, oh. Wow, one more. Let me see. Let me see. Oh.
One, two, three.
Count, ate. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, what's up guys? At yun na nga no. Kanina pa kami naglalaroy. Ang itim na namin. Kailan ba ako pumuti? Maliligo kami dito hanggang madaling araw. Parang nabuli itong isa eh. Oh. Pagalingan mag-swim. Pagalingan kayo mag-swim dali. Swim kayo dun. Swimming. Go.
Hello po.
1, 2, 3, swim. Ito, malunod na itong isa. Oh. Naku po. Maganda dito sa resort na napuntahan namin, konti lang yung tao. Tawag sa resort na to ay Riviera or Gabayan Riviera. Hi guys, tapos na silang mag-swimming saglit. Kain muna. Wow. Hey, may birthday oh, may birthday. Happy birthday, Jet. Yung mami nila oh, ganda-ganda. At yun na nga no, natapos na nga kami sa aming pag-swimming at panahon na para kumain ng dinner. Dahil birthday niya yun ni Jed, kakain kami sa labas. It's your birthday today. We're going to eat outside. Umulan nga.
Umulan ba?
Let's go. Umulan. Talaga na. Lakad na tayo. You watch your step. Umulan. Tayo sa labas. Bagot na dito.
Hindi, matapit na kami tapos.
Hindi tayo sa mga haba. Hi, hello po. Order kami, sir.
Sir, 8 may ka po.
Papiliin na lang natin sila. Pili kayo dito. Anong gusto nyo?
Wait lang, uy.
Papiliin nyo muna yung birthday boy.
Ito.
Huwag yung masyadong mahal ha. Pili muna. What? Saan?
Potato skins? Ay, nak skins lang yan.
Sabaw?
You like
No.
sabaw?
Donut.
Hindi yan donut.
It's not donut.
Yung mga fried chicken oh. Ito. wings.
Ayan, fried chicken na lang.
Oh, yan.
Jollibee.
Ayan.
Jollibee na lang. Patingin na mata mo. Tara, nag-addict ka ba?
Hey. Parang mami.
Tara, no? Pagod din eh. Oh. Tapos swimming. Oh.
Mami.
Ito din. Oh. Stress na. Nauna nang kumain itong isa. Oh. Cowboy kaming kasama. Kunyari may nihiwa siya. May dumigahi pa.
Mali. Gusto. Oh my.
Gandang babae.
Hindi masarap. What's up guys? Kape muna tayo.
Alright, so it's time. Gisingin na natin ang mga butchiking. Tulog pa rin sila. Gisingin na natin. Papa, almusal.
Ha?
May almusal silang binigay. You know. Pandesal.
Breakfast?
500 pesos kada isa.
Libre ito. Kasama na ito sa breakfast.
Hindi ko alam kung kasama yan.
Libre lang.
Hindi ko tinanong.
Nagkape na tayo.
Ayun oh. Uy, ano yan? Pandesal na pahaba.
Papa. Tawag dito.
Ang tawag dyan? Pandelong.
Mga bata, gumising na kayo. Ate. Jet. Pia. Dan.
Jed, gising na. Happy birthday. Pugi mo naman. Woke up like this ka. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, let's sing. Jed, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! Jed, birthday. Oh, kiss niyo, Jed. Kiss Jed. Ate, kiss Jed. Okay lang, kahit mabawininga mo. Kiss daddy.
Mommy. Kiss na.
You cried in the night, but joy will rise. What you lost, He'll multiply. Every prayer, He heard it all. In His time, the blessings fall. Though the waiting feels so long, He's been working all along. God will restore, just wait and see. More than you asked abundantly. Beauty for ashes, strength for pain. He's bringing sunshine after rain. God will restore, He always keeps His word. You cried in the night, but joy will rise. What you lost, He'll multiply. Every prayer, He heard it all. In His time, the blessings fall. Though the waiting feels so long, He's been working